go, Thompson. Yay, I'll treasure this forever. Told you I'm good at these games here. Oh, and I'm also good at this one. Over here. This one takes a good arm. A good right arm. Ding! Ding! See? Oh, nice. I'm good at these kinds. Oh, those kinds of games? Those ones are easy. See, look, and I died. Oh, and I died again. And I died again. Whoa. Timothy, what's happening? I don't know, Thompson. What did you do? Hello, I'm Video Game Dude. I'm Video Game Dude. Let's go. Oh, look, an enemy. Okay, is he gone? Is he gone? I want to go. Oh, you got him, didn't you? Ah! Thompson, you pussy willow, the coast is clear. Come on, let's go. This is pretty easy. Now, Thompson, you take this one. Woohoo! Yeah, go, Thompson, go. Very, very easy. Ooh, look, I got this one, Timothy. Hiya! Woohoo! It's a whoa. Whoa. Holy cow. This is the boss! Huh. Here, let me try. Hiya! Hiya! Woohoo! We can defeat him. Hiya! Football moves don't work on this dude. Hiya! Ooh, power up! Power up! Yeah! Woohoo! We're ourselves again! Woo! Now, let's pretend that this day never happened.